Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna tell you how to properly uninstall a GPU driver. All of you must be wondering, what is so difficult about it? All you have to do is go in your add and remove and simply uninstall it. It's not that simple. Even NVIDIA doesn't recommend it that way. All you have to do is download a software called Display Driver Uninstaller or DDU. I'll post its link in the description. And let me give you a brief tutorial first. DDU or Display Driver Uninstaller is a driver removal tool that helps you completely remove your AMD, NVIDIA or your Intel graphic card driver. It doesn't leave behind any leftovers like your registry keys, your folders or anything which is associated to your graphic card. But before you run this software, you need to do two very important steps. First, you need to go to your C drive. Then you need to find this hidden folder. You need to unhide it and go to Program Data. As I'm using an NVIDIA card, I would navigate to NVIDIA Corporation. If you're using an AMD card, you need to go to your AMD folder or your Intel folder in case you're using an Intel graphic card. Then you need to go to Downloader, and then you need, this is very important, you need to cut your graphic card's driver which you want to update or reinstall anywhere other than your NVIDIA folder, because in the end when you run DDU it will remove your NVIDIA or your AMD or your Intel folder. So you need to have your graphic card's driver anywhere else other than your parent graphic card folder. Then the second most important step, you need to open up Run by pressing the Windows button and R, and you need to open msconfig. Just type msconfig and open it. Then you need to go to boot, and then you need to check safe mode. You need to run DDU in safe mode, minimal network, anything which is, it's totally up to you. Then you need to press OK, and then you need to press restart. Once you have booted up into safe mode, before you run DDU, clean and restart, clean and shut down, whatever you want, you need to press the Windows R button again, and then open up this boot button and uncheck safe mode, because once you run DDU it will boot back into safe mode. So you need to like uncheck it. So then you need to run your Display Driver Uninstaller. Even NVIDIA and all the graphic card manufacturers, they recommend using DDU for removing your graphic card's driver, because the other conventional ways, they leave behind traces which is not good for you and nor your graphic card driver. I have been using this for like 4 years. It's like the best way to do it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. See you guys around.